Welcome back to another vlog. It's Wednesday. I just got to Home Goods in TJ Maxx because I want to see if I can find some things to finish my Christmas tree. It's been unfinished for about a week now and it's just been bothering me. So I need some more white ornaments and a tree topper. I'm gonna see if I see anything else while I'm here. I just came from Target. I was shooting a holiday campaign over there and I think it came out pretty good. I just need to edit it and do a voiceover now. So this is like a little break slash reward, if you will, after all of that hard work I just put in. Look at this large pink gingerbread house. It even lights up. So cute. This cookie jar is so cute. I would get this, but there's a little crack right here. I would use this for my Nespresso pods. Oh gosh, how much is this? It's only $15. So cute. This one's cute too. For all of your coffee pods, right? These are so cute too. I'm tempted to get these, but I already have some kitchen towels. It's only $10. Look at these mugs. So cute. This is so cute, but I don't know what I would use it for. Whoops. They have this viral TikTok bow. I don't know why this is viral. I think it's ugly. What do you do with it? It's 50 bucks. It's pretty heavy. But yeah, I don't think it's cute. Well, that was unsuccessful. I thought it was gonna be a good trip because it's a weekday. I'm gonna go home and get ready to go to the gym with my husband before the sun goes down. Maybe I'll go to Marshall's tomorrow since it's not in this shopping plaza. Everyone took all the good stuff already and it's like not even Thanksgiving. What am I gonna do? It's 55 degrees outside, which is pretty cold. So I'm about to bundle up because we're gonna do a run before we go to the gym. Probably like a 15-minute run, nothing crazy. And whenever we run outside in the cold, my ears are the first thing to freeze. So I'm gonna put this on to cover my ears and keep them warm. See, I probably should have put this on first. There we go. I cannot wait to get this haircut. My appointment is next Wednesday. It's coming so fast. I have my pre-workout right here. And I'm wearing some leggings that I just got in the mail from Aerie. These are super comfortable. They're my favorite leggings. I ordered them a couple of days ago. They came really fast because they were having a 30% off sale. I got like 2 different pairs of biker shorts and then like another pair of black leggings just because I feel like I don't have enough. Then I got one more pair that came separately. I forgot what I ordered, but it's a dark green pair of leggings. I feel like these would look cute wearing them to the gym or like paired with a pink top or something. I love green and pink together, so I don't have any green leggings. And it's a dark army green, so I think it's perfect. I got this One Size Beauty oil sucker off of TikTok Shop as a free sample, and I've been using it for the past couple of days. If you're an oily girly, you need this because I have the spray, I have the setting powder, but this stuff is so good. I only use it by itself. I don't even use the spray or the powder with it, but it keeps my skin looking perfect all day. Like the oils don't come out. It makes me feel like I have normal skin type even though it's super oily. So just wanted to let you guys know, if you are struggling with oily skin, please try this because this is my new favorite thing. I cannot rave about this enough, but I need to hurry up because the sun's going down. Let me get some socks. My husband said, are you going to a photo shoot or for a run?
Fitness photo shoot.
Yeah, so good to me. I do look kind of cute though, right? It's a full moon. So pretty. I don't know if you could see it. The trees are blocking it. Happy Thursday. I just finished getting ready because I'm going to film a collab with these Lumi sticks from L'Oreal. I haven't used them yet, but there's two different ones. One of them is supposed to give you glass skin, and then the other one is supposed to give you a glow. I'm gonna focus on the glass skin one. I'm really excited to try these. So I'm gonna do like a light beat and then finish it off with this. I'm not naked, I'm wearing a tube top because they said that you can put this on your body too. So I'm gonna put it on my décolleté. I'm excited to see how it looks. There's 6 different shades. I think 3 for each. I got yesterday's collab edited and submitted, so I'm happy about that. Now I can move on to the next thing, which is this collab. And then after this collab, I have some other ones lined up, which is really exciting, a little stressful, not gonna lie, but I just stressed myself out for no reason. It's gonna be fine, I already know. I think I'm gonna end up using this one right here. Finished filming the video and I started editing it, but I'm taking a little break right now because I need some more caffeine. I had a cup of coffee, but I need more. I got another sweater in the mail from TikTok Shop and I'm super excited about this one because it's just like my sweater with the red bow, except it's pink and white. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this. Okay. And it's so freaking cold outside. It's raining. So I was thinking about going to Marshall's today, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll go tomorrow instead. Okay, this is really soft right off the bat. I love the detailing on the sleeves and the neck, just like my red and white one, but I love this one even more. I cannot wait to make some outfits with this. Yay! I need more creamer, but this should get me through the rest of the day. Happy Friday. I just got to Marshall's because I need some more Christmas decor and my bathroom looks like fall and Christmas and I just want it to be Christmas at this point. I'm ready to put all of my fall decor and my pumpkins away. It's Christmas time, so I want to see if I can find something cute here. I still need a bow topper and I saw the viral bow toppers at TJ Maxx a couple of weeks ago and I didn't think I wanted to get them, so I didn't, and I have regrets because I haven't seen them again since. But I ordered these cute white glittery snowflake ornaments on Amazon yesterday because this is my inspo and I love the snowflake ornaments it has on it. This is what they look like. I hope they look just as good in person. I'm sure they will. I finished and submitted the collab I was working on yesterday. I'm just waiting on feedback at this point. And I'm wearing my new bow sweater. My outfit is so freaking cute. I'm gonna ask my hubby to take some pictures of me later before the sun goes down because it's already almost 3 and the sun sets at like 5 o'clock. So I need to hurry. I'm not gonna be here too long, but I do hope I find some cute things. I wanna do that trend where it's like, if it's under $20, I'll buy it. I filmed a morning routine this morning. I haven't done one of those in so long and it just felt so good. I just love filming and editing those. Those are just so therapeutic for me. And that's another reason why I need some more Christmas decor is because it's lacking, okay? My video's lacking pinkness. I need more. So that's what we're here for, to elevate my Pinkmas apartment and my videos. So let's do it. Look how cute this bow gift tote is. These cookie jars are so cute. How much is this? $17. Wait a minute, do I need this? I want one like this. There's another one that I had my eye on and I haven't seen it since the last time I came here, and it has like a little bow on it and it has like gumdrops. But this one's cute too. Look at this Anthropology dupe. It's only $6. If they had it in red, I would get it. And I keep seeing this mug. They have like 10 of them here. I think I'm gonna get it. It's just too cute to pass up. It's only $6. I love it. Look at this red bow cup. Adorable. How much is this? Only $5. I'm back home now. My husband and I went to the park and he took some cute pictures of me in my outfit before the sun went down. We just checked the mail and I have so many packages, so I just want to give you guys a little haul. Starting with the first thing that I ordered, this is from Target. I ordered this a couple of days ago and I thought these bows were gonna be red. I didn't think that they were gonna be pink like this. I thought they were like a light red and I thought I was gonna return them. This is not my favorite shade of pink, so I think I'm still gonna return them, but they were only $5. I love how they have this little clip on the back where you can like hang them, whatever you decide. They're so perfect, except for the color. So I ordered like 6 of them because I wanna put them on my cabinets. I wanna do the DIY present cabinets, but this color just isn't it for me, so these are gonna get sent back. I still need to get the ribbon, and I haven't decided if I wanna do red or pink. I was thinking I was gonna do red, but then I saw a girl do pink on Instagram and I'm like, you know what? I think I gotta do pink because pink is my vibe. Casetify sent me some of their new cases for the holidays, which I'm really excited about because they have super cute designs. I don't know if I'm gonna open this right now just because, oh my God, the packaging is so cute. I think I might have to leave this like this until after I make a video. So I'll show you what these cases look like in next week's video when I put it on my phone, but they're like coquette aesthetic cases, so they're super cute. There's one in particular that is my favorite and I'm really excited about. A couple of days ago, I was influenced to buy some Skims PJs. They're so freaking cute. They're pink with little gingerbread men all over them. So you know I had to get them and I'm glad I did because they sold out. I feel like everything sells out so fast these days. I don't remember things selling out this quick before. I mean, maybe I just never paid attention to it, but every time I want something or I see something cute, if I don't get it, it will be sold out. So I'm glad I got these. Oh my God, I'm gonna do a little video unboxing with them, so I'm not gonna open these completely just yet either, but these are heavy duty. These feel really nice and these were expensive. They were like $80, but well worth it. I'm gonna be wearing these all holiday season. These are super heavy. This is a set. It comes with pants and a button up. I'm so excited to wear these. Yay, I love my Skims. The soft lounge is the softest in my opinion. I didn't see that this says soft lounge on it, but all of the reviews said that these are super soft. You can see the little gingerbread men through the packaging. So I'm gonna be wearing the heck out of these. The next thing is this Osé body oil. I ordered this as a free sample on TikTok Shop. I've heard so much about this brand, but I've never tried it before. They have a facial cleanser and a bunch of other stuff too. But I'm excited to try this because, you know, during the winter time, my skin is just super dry. It's an algae body oil. Is it scented? Oh, it smells good. Like citrusy, I like that. I always do my skincare routine, of course, for my face, but like I neglect my body, so this is gonna help me stay on top of that during the winter time. I also ordered this one size Secure the Sweat. I think it's a primer. You put it on before your makeup. But it's similar to the other one I was telling you guys about, and I'm wearing the other one right now. My skin looks so good. My skin would never look this good without the other product that I use. What's it called? Oil Sucker? Yeah, their Oil Sucker is amazing. So I wanted to try this Secure the Sweat primer. This is what it looks like. So I think I'll test this out when I go running with my husband. I think that'll be a good way to test it. Or like right before the gym. I have this viral sweater vest in brown. And I wanted to get it in red because I saw another girl style it so cute. She was wearing like a long sleeve lace turtleneck under the red one, so I had to get this. And I want to style this similarly to the way she did it. I have a white turtleneck, but I want a white lace one now. It was so freaking cute. And then pair it with like the skirts that I'm wearing right now. I wear the heck out of these skirts. I just can't get enough. I also ordered a black pair to the Hollister store because it was the only thing that I ordered. I ordered it to the store to get free shipping, so I need to go pick those up. But this will be so cute. I mean, like, red is not my color. I don't really love red like that, but the way she styled it, you should have seen it. I didn't have much luck at Marshall's earlier, but I did get a lot of compliments on my outfit. Everyone was so sweet. And I got the mug, so I'm happy about that. I love that mug. I have it hanging on my mug tree right now. I'm gonna use it first thing tomorrow. Hopefully I'll have better luck next week getting the rest of my Christmas decorations because it kind of feels like Christmas in here, but I could do better. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.